Hello, class 10 students. Today you are going to study about polynomials. NCERT textbook chapter 2, polynomials. First video for this chapter, polynomials. And polynomials, it is a special type of algebraic expressions. There are very many algebraic expressions in which variables and constants are included. And we can have some algebraic expressions: x square plus 2x plus 1, 2, 3x plus 2, 3, x square, 4, y square minus 2x, 5, root x plus 2, 6, x cube plus 5x square plus 7x plus 1. And you can look at this x square. There are three terms. The variable in this algebraic expression is x. Variable in this algebraic expression is x. There are three terms. One is exponent of the first term is 2. Exponent of the second term is 1. Exponent of the third term is there is no variable, that is x raised to 0. But in the second algebraic expression there are two terms, 3x and 2. And the exponent of the variable in this 3x is x raised to 1. Okay, exponent is 1. Here only one term in this algebraic expression, x square, and the exponent of the variable is 2. Here two terms, and in this y square minus 2y, y square minus 2y, there are two terms, and highest exponent is 2. Here root x plus 2, that is also you can write x raised to 1 by 2 plus 2. Okay, root x means x raised to the power of 1 by 2. And the exponent is a rational number, not a whole number. Here exponent is, highest exponent is 3. There are how many terms? 4 terms. And these are all algebraic expressions. But all are not polynomials. Polynomial is an algebraic expression. Polynomial is an algebraic expression in which all exponents are whole numbers and coefficients are real numbers. Coefficients are real numbers. And all exponents are whole numbers. Exponents are real numbers. Here, coefficients of x square is 1 real number. Here 2 real number. But exponents are a whole number. 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. Here 1 by 2. It is not a polynomial. Okay, not a polynomial. But it is a polynomial. Exponents are whole numbers. All the coefficients are real numbers. I will repeat once again. Polynomial is an algebraic expression in which all exponents are whole numbers and the coefficients are real numbers. 6, 7. X raised to minus 3 plus 4. X raised to minus 3 plus 4. In this case, exponent is not a whole number. This is not a polynomial. And in this chapter we are mainly studying about the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. A not equal to 0. quadratic polynomial. For example, x square plus 5x plus 6, 7x square plus 3x, 3x square. Here 3 times quadratic term is there. Here 2 times quadratic term is there. There is only 1 term quadratic term is there. All these 3 algebraic expressions are polynomials and also quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, there should be the quadratic term should be there, x square or y square, any variable. The degree 2, exponent should be 2 in that quadratic polynomial, highest exponent. And we will study about the cubic polynomial, fourth degree polynomial, linear polynomial. Okay? Now we have to study about the zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. The general form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. It is only, polynomial has only one side, not equal to, or it is not an equation, only a polynomial. The polynomial, quadratic polynomial, highest exponent of the variable will be 2. Now x square plus 5x plus 6, x square plus 5x plus 6. We can write it as x plus 3 into x plus 2. We can factorize like this. And x may be minus 3, x may be minus 2. When you are equating each factor to 0, you will get x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 2. These two numbers, minus 3 and minus 2 are the zeros. What is the meaning of zeros? When we are substituting this minus 3 the whole square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 6, minus 3 square plus 9, 5 into minus 3 minus 15 plus 6, 9 plus 6 15 minus 15, it is equal to 0. When you are substituting the value minus 3 in this quadratic polynomial, the value of the polynomial will become 0. Therefore, we will say minus 3 is a 0 of this polynomial x square plus 5x plus 6. Now, let us see how this minus 2 will work. Minus 2 the whole square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 the whole square is 4 plus 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10 plus 6. 4 plus 6, 10 plus minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 3 and minus 2 will make this polynomial 0 instead of x, instead of variable, if you are substituting that values minus 3 and minus 2. Therefore, there are 2 zeros. For a quadratic polynomial, there are 2 zeros. For a quadratic polynomial, 2 zeros. Both zeros may be equal and both zeros may be different. Okay, equal or unequal. Okay, thank you.